Alright, let's cut straight to it. If you want pepper plants that burst with growth and pump out more fruit than you ever thought possible, forget about fancy store-bought feeds. I'm talking about a simple, natural fertilizer you can make right now with stuff you probably already have in your kitchen. This is the secret sauce, and once your peppers taste it, there's no going back. Here's the deal. Peppers are super hungry plants. They don't just want nutrients, they crave them, fast. But here's what most folks miss. It's not just about dumping fertilizer on the soil. You need to wake up the living world underground. The microbes, the beneficial bacteria. Because once these little guys are active, your pepper plants start growing like they're on rocket fuel. So, what's this miracle fertilizer? It's a homemade banana peel and eggshell tea, fermented to unlock all the good stuff. Bananas bring the potassium, eggshells bring the calcium, and fermentation brings the microbes. Combine all that, and you get a powerhouse mix that peppers respond to in days, not weeks. It's easy. Toss 5 banana peels and 2 clean crushed eggshells into a container with a liter of non-chlorinated water. Loosely seal it, and let it sit in a warm spot for 3 to 5 days. Once it's dark brown with a sweet, earthy smell, strain it and dilute. 1 cup of this tea to each liter of water. Don't skip the dilution. Peppers love potassium, but too much can overwhelm them. Once you pour this around your pepper plants, the magic starts. Potassium powers up the stems and leaves, making them thicker and stronger. Your plants set more flowers and fruit, and stay tough through summer heat and drought. The eggshells, thanks to fermentation, give your peppers accessible calcium, so you'll finally beat blossom end rot. No more sad sunken fruits. The best part? All those microbes from fermentation get to work in your soil, breaking down organic matter and unlocking even more nutrients. Over time, your soil becomes richer, healthier, and your peppers grow deeper roots, bush out, and fruit like crazy. Apply this tea every 10 to 14 days, preferably in the morning or late afternoon, and just watch. First, you'll see dark green leaves, then new shoots, then blossoms everywhere. Before you know it, you'll double or even triple your harvest, all naturally. This works for any pepper, sweet, hot, or ornamental, and it never burns. It's safe, powerful, and builds your garden for seasons to come. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe, share it with a gardener friend, and keep pushing your garden to the next level, naturally.